We're going to sanitize this room using the AirGuard 800 here. This room is approximately 1,200 cubic feet. This is an 800 cubic feet per minute piece. So we are going to let the fogger run for about 90 seconds. Once again, we're going to turn this on. When it stops flashing, it'll be ready to go. All right, so we have the remote here. So we're going to close the door and we're going to go on the other side of that window over there. Slightly under a half hour after we turn the machine off. And so that's the AG-800. Everything works quite nicely.